Happy New Year! I wish you all the best health, love, and that all your wishes may come true. Maybe you already know that I sold my previous Panigale V2 2020 with pain in my heart and tears in my eyes, because with that bike I started my riding experience on the track. To refill that emptiness, I bought a brand new bike. You can see it is already in the background, so let's reveal it together. Ta-ta-ta-ta! It's a Panigale V2S 2025. Such a beautiful bike. Let me explain why I now have two bikes of the same model. The first reason, I really like the handling and the performance of the bike. It's such a different bike compared to the older V2. The last season I was not lucky with the weather. I had constantly changing track conditions, so I often had to switch between the bikes. And every session I needed a couple of laps to get used to the feeling of the bike. For example, my sit position was different, my feet position, throttle control, weight and power of the bike. Another important point is that it's easier if you want to swap parts between the bikes because they are the same model. We turned this street bike into a race bike, and we are going to make the same changes to my new bike. So let me show you what's been done. We have changed the braking disc into a floating braking disc. We have racing braking pads. Stops are no problem anymore. I tried it once, be careful. And we adjusted the suspension into my body weight. We have changed the headlight into a dummy headlight. We removed the mirrors because we are always looking ahead. And we have a more aerodynamic windscreen. We have changed the handlebar and the triple clamp to be more in a racing position. We have changed the handlebar switches. We added the steering damper, a time lapper, and the kill switch will be installed soon. We have a quick throttle unit, different braking pump, and a brake lever protector. We have a race fuel cap, and we adjusted the seat lower for tiny me. We have a different spring adjusted to my body weight, and we have a full adjustable rear set with reverse shifting. We added a rain light, and we changed the exhaust to a Termignoni exhaust, beautiful sound on the track and more horsepower. And we removed the license plate holder because there's no speed limit on the track, so you don't get any ticket. And last but not least, the fully customized color and design, all protected with paint protection film and coatings from Gion. That's a lot of upgrades we made to this bike. I cannot wait to start rebuilding this street bike into my brand new track bike, so hands on. I already received some packages, so let's open them together. So let's begin with this heavy package from Spider. What's inside? I don't know. And the last one, a big one. So let's open them. I received so many. Thank you, Spider. I received some merchandise, very cool. I will open the big box first and then I will show you the rest of it. So I will open this big box first. Very curious what's inside. Different parts. I will open the first one. Always be careful with a knife. It's for the rear set. With my logo on it. So cool. Thank you so much. Wow. Really nice. Oh, here the same. So cool. So happy with that. Ta-da! and more different small parts, all for the rear set. Very nice stickers to add with a little spider. Reverse shifting, I see you already. And the booklet. Thank you so much. All these special parts will help me build my bike into a track bike for the next season. Thank you, Spider, especially for the customized parts. Really in love, and I'm going to mount this on my bike. Thank you. I'm so curious what's inside, so let's open this together. Ta-da-ta! A Termignoni exhaust. Yay! Let me show you the muffler. Open. Ta-da-da-ta! Very cool. And the last one. It's another part for the exhaust. Thank you again for all the parts. I cannot wait to start building this bike into my new track bike. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!